Mommy's secret recipe cake looks so yummy. Someone's at the door. Someone's at the door. Oh no! The secret recipe! It's missing! This is a mission for the Learn Pop secret agents. Secret agents. It's the Super Spy Pup! Agent, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to find the missing secret recipe. The first rule of espionage: always look for fingerprints.
The first rule of espionage: always look for fingerprints. Aha! Not fingerprints, paw prints. Our suspect is a small animal.
Follow the secret paw prints. The trail ends here. The suspect must be inside. The entrance is too small. I'll need my periscope. What do you see, Agent Pup? Target spotted. The suspect is a small brown mouse.
We can't go in. We have to lure him out. Every agent has a weakness. A mouse's weakness is cheese.
The trap is set. He got it! He got it! The recipe is safe! Mission accomplished, agents! The cake secret is safe! Being a spy is delicious work! Subscribe for our next secret mission. This message will self-destruct. Bye-bye!